In this video, we will be looking at how to convert a CSV file to Excel file using Python. So let's dive into the code. Hello friends, this is Code Character and learn coding fastly and efficiently. As you can see, I have created a Python file and a CSV file, here you can see, in which I have put some data, name, age and country, John, Alice and Bob. This is the basic data of CSV file. Now you can see I have separated this with a comma also. Now the first thing is you have to install a module which is name as install Openpyxl. You have to install the module first in order to do the going to do with this project. I have already installed this, so I have skipped this. After this, you have to import the Openpyxl module, and I will also import the sys module. Now the first thing is I will say CSV underscore name. I'll take an info from the user, which I'll say name of CSV file. The second input will be separator, which I'll say which separator the CSV file is using. And next I'll say Excel underscore name, and I will prompt the user for the name of the file, Excel file. Which he want to convert the Excel into whatever name he wants, and the also the sheet name. And the sheet name will be name of the Excel sheet. Now the next I will say I will open the file using the try catch block. So try, and I will say wb equal to open Excel by Excel dot load underscore workbook. This will return the workbook, and I have to give the file name Excel underscore name, and also the sheet will be equal to wb dot get underscore sheet by name, and also the sheet name. And the next will be file equal to will be, let's open the CSV file. It will be CSV underscore name, and the mode will be reading mode, and that's all. Close this order happens. Let's see this. And the next I'll say the try catch, I'll say accept it, so I have a print file error, and also I'll say sys.exit. Now the next I will say the row columns of the sheet, so I will define the row variable equal to 1 and also column equal to 1. Start for loop for line in file. The first thing I will say line equal to line, slice it, and the next is I'll say line equal to line dot split, also split this line. Next I store the for loop for the each line in the line, so or data in line for, I'll say data in line. Now writing data to cell of the sheet dot cell, and the first will be row column, so it will be dot value be equal to data. After this I will also increase the column plus 1 plus equal to 1. And I will say also here the column will be equal to 1 and the row plus equal to 1. That's all. Now the next thing is saving the Excel file and closing the CSV file, and say wb dot save using the save function of it, and then have the file Excel underscore name and also file dot close. Now again I have to make an Excel file here, so I will open this directory and open in this file, revision file explorer, and here I will say new the Excel file, Excel worksheet, so I name the Excel file simple. Now I will run this here. So here you can see it says install. I don't know, I will run this again. So whenever the CSV file, it says CSV file is C file, and the separator is comma, name of the Excel file is Excel file, name of the Excel sheet, or I'll say Excel sheet. This is file error. Okay, I have also to give the extension cfile.csv. I'll run this again, cfile.csv and separator comma, and name of the Excel file xlx, and name of the Excel sheet is sheet 1. And now again here you can see, now I will click on this reveal in the file explorer and double click on this open in Microsoft Excel. So here you can see name each country, John, Elias and Bob, and I will show you also the CSV file. Here I will minimize this, and this C view is the CSV file. Here you can see name and commas, age and country, etc. Here you can see. That's how you can do this. You can convert a CSV file into Excel file using Python program. So I hope you will have enjoyed this video, you will enjoy this project, and if you like the video, press the like button and also press the subscribe button in order to get more videos like this. Thanks for watching the video.